whisper. Oh, I'm doing it now. So, you know what time it is. O-O-T-N. Outfit of the night. Kaboom. So, we have Hawaiian shirt from Zara, white vest top from Primark, shorts from Zara, white Vans, drip drip, Mozzie band, Bahia Principe luxury bands, dog tag with cross for Adam from Poolside. Oh, let's guess. Put that in the comments what you think it is. Whoa.
Boundary Mill.
Boom.
From the shopping reception.
How much?
£14.
Disgraceful.
And all-inclusive band? No, Mozzie band. Burnt arms. Mozzie band on foot.
Boom. So today, our arms are burning. But today we are off to the Indian tonight. The Indian restaurant, which is in Tulum.
Shalom!
That should be fun. I don't mind Indian. It's not that bad. I like chicken boona. And that's about it, to be fair. Onion barges. I've never had a proper Indian though. I've never been to an Indian. Tonight's for 9. So it better be good. But it's in Tulum, so we have to get a trolley all the way to Tulum. I hate wind. And we'll catch you guys here. It's an early night though tonight, as we have the dolphins swimming tomorrow. We can't record it, but we're getting photos and videos and that. We can pay for them. Yeah, we're there for a day. We have food and that. Oh. But yeah, they take pictures and videos while we're with the dolphins, so we'll get them. I also vlogged a day at, what's it called? The island? Almahev. You have to get a boat to it, so vlogging the boat ride would be hilarious.
I was seasick last time I did it.
She was seasick last time. But, pardon me, the transfer to the boat is picking us up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Cannot be bothered. That means no breakfast.
You're having a good day out and you can't be bothered.
I can't wait to wake up early.
So moody lately.
No moody lately.
Time version 2 days, all you do is moan.
When have I moaned?
All the time.
Name me a time.
You're moaning because you want to play a game.
Right, Katie wanted to play a game where you challenge each other to do things, yeah? Her challenge for me was to go up to a random stranger and ask to wear their hat.
I think that's pretty valid, right? And then, because you didn't do that one, I then said to do a handstand in the pool, they wouldn't even do that.
Because I can't do them.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get you go.
Yeah, but I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna die.
Because I can't do them.
What other one that you said no? Oh, get me a drink.
Yeah, get a drink, I said no to that. Other than that. But then I said to Katie, I got her to do a challenge and she didn't do it. And that was to sit on a random person's sunbed. I think that's on par with asking to wear a hat.
Like it if somebody sat on my towel, like got their dirty bits on my towel.
Disgraceful. But some person gave us their lilos, didn't they? So we're on them all day in the pool and the lilos.
It was cold today though.
Absolutely freezing today.
Well, yeah, we're sunburned.
But we're burnt. My shoulders are in absolute bits. But yeah, so because we got given the lilos, when we leave, we're going to give them to some other people that we met today.
Might take one out.
Might, no. Because we're never going to use it at home. That's the place that sells lilos. But we got them for free, because we're sick. That's what you do when you make friends. Every time we've made friends though, they're either leaving the next day, or they're like 50 years older than us. all the time. But anyway, enough jibber jabbering. I'll see you at tulum. She's not getting a Malibu Coke.
I'm not gonna get one.
I made it easy for when I got a Sprite. I didn't want to say Bacardi because she won't understand, bless her. But she's trying. Mayor's a mess. So in
2%. I promise, like, and even it's been a weird these past few months, and knowing out
Indian, looking good. Looking very cool.
You've got no excuse not to eat in India and not just eat it and go, oh, it's nice and never eat it again.
For starters, I'm getting an onion bhaji. Mains, I'm getting butter chicken with chicken biryani, rice, and a garlic naan for Katie. And then for dessert, I'm getting a creme brulee, which I've never had before, so I'm going to try it. So I can tick off a lot of things today on my eating notes. Chicken biryani, the actual curry, and the creme brulee. Buzzing. What are you getting?
I think I'll have Rogan Josh. They don't have a boona.
I'd have got a boona if they did.
They don't have a boona.
Starters.
Onion bhaji.
Main.
Rogan Josh.
Dessert.
Creme brulee.
Boom. She's having Rogan and Josh. Arms on fire, look. Whoa. Flames. Damn. Steens right don't come with poppadoms. I'd be laughing if you don't come with poppadoms. Poppadom. We have got poppadoms.
Oh, it is, you said it in Spanish.
She's eating mandem poppadoms with mandem sauce.
It's supposed to be mango chutney.
That looks like mango chutney. Mango chutney is mean. Boom. She's getting tucked in.
15 out of 10.
What would you rate the poppadoms?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Boom. Hit
This
the whole thing.
restaurant's a 15 out of 10 and I'm not even trying it.
I'll absolutely laugh my head off if the food is terrible. That's not my Sprite. You don't even have a signature cocktail in. Yeah. Bless you. Maybe starters now. We have been given the signature cocktail of the Indian restaurant. It's got like peppery seasoning on the side, so I'm going to drink on the other side. Let's see what it is. It's a no from Katie.
It's actually quite nice. It tastes like a mango daiquiri.
It's not bad,
It tastes like a watered down mango daiquiri.
but it's not my favourite. I'm not a fan of that. I've had better. Not the best onion bhaji. Weatherspoons does it better. Katie's finished hers though. Now we're trying these samosa things.
No, you won't like it.
Why? I don't think even Katie likes it.
Isn't it sweet?
Your face says 1,000 words. It's a tomato though. Up to that, it's not looking good, but hopefully. Oh.
It's like potato, isn't it? I don't get it. I like potato. I've had it with potato. Why is it sweet?
It's sweet. Hopefully his main's better. Boom. Chicken. So you got the lamb, Rogan and Josh.
Why is my thing not working?
Let's get tucked in. Creme brulee. It's a no from me. Oh, you can't even see me, it's that dark. It's a no from me. What are you saying?
I'm just eating the sugar off the sand.
I'm just gonna leave a $2 tip and get out of here and settle down back at his room. Happy days. You can't just see me, but the Indian won't be rating it. 9 out of 10. So it's not the best.
I enjoyed yours more than mine.
I know yours are the best food.
I did it the other day at Japanese.
I don't know what I'd rate it. It weren't the best for me. I'd give it a solid 6.
I'm scared to jump.
Solid 6. No one's gonna jump out at bush. We're walking a different way back to the room because we're bored of walking the same way.
But it's dark.
What's that there?
One of them mole things.
We found something.
It's one of them capybara.
Capybara.
Capybara, 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 capybara.
Capybara. This camera is terrible for the darkness, so we'll see you back at room. We are back. We saw a few raccoons, to be fair. So yeah, we know whereabouts. Literally, we know whereabouts they live. So we're gonna walk that way every time, even though it's about 50 hours longer.
I was playing music right now, and it pissed me off. I need to go spend it listening to it.
Yeah. Imagine playing music at this time. It's this one. Sorry, Julie.
But you do need to go spend it in it.
I know.
What happened to it?
But that'll be it for today. We'll vlog all of tomorrow because it's going to be sick. Kay's got a new sexy t-shirt. And we'll catch you all later. Goodbye.